Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy. Hope you're healthy, inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today I'm talking about free or paid layout templates online. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? I'm going to share my perspective and also why I feel the way that I feel in just a moment. If you're new to the channel and you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do over the last 10 years, myself, our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice concepts as well as supporting hundreds of individuals all over the world launch and scale successful juice bars, smoothie bars, acai bowl businesses, and more. All the information on this channel is coming from that wealth of experience. Early invitation, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get alerted when we release new videos, because one piece of information can definitely change your life. And now we'll dive in. So you may or may not be aware, but I've come across some places where you can buy templates online for different kind of restaurants, juice bars, as well as potentially even get free templates. And while this can be somewhat helpful in giving you an idea of what it is that you need and kind of how to organize a space somewhat, the problem with this, and the reason I'm really not a fan of this, is because it can be somewhat misleading as well, right? When you don't know why something is designed the way that it is, you also don't know why, in some situations, that kind of layout will not apply to you, or maybe dysfunctional for what your functional needs actually are. Maybe an analogy that I could use is it could be like, learning certain phrases in a language, but you don't know what the words actually mean, and so therefore you never really become fluent, and then you can't actually have a conversation. So there's going to be moments where maybe those phrases don't apply. Or maybe another analogy I can maybe use is the difference between, let's say, having tailored clothes that fit your body versus buying generic clothes from a department store. The difference being, obviously, with clothes is it's not going to really make a big difference if something's not custom fitted to your body. Whereas in a business, if you have a layout that doesn't really reflect the needs of your operation in a very specific way, what's that going to do? It's going to lead to higher labor. It's going to lead to then, therefore, probably more turnover in your business because employees are working harder than they need to, and that's costing you more money. And then also, it's going to lead to inefficiencies in your production time, meaning that customers are going to get their orders slower as well if things in your kitchen aren't organized well. So functional design and good functional design should actually be customized in your specific situation, because when you have a template, it's not going to apply to where you are in terms of, let's say, the length and width of your business location, also your menu concept, because you always, when creating a layout, want to start with the menu first. The menu will then dictate the equipment, then the equipment will fit into the location layout, and all these things are designed. It's like a Tetris set, right? It's a matter of inches and sometimes millimeters and centimeters. It's a very, very tight margin of error that you're having to fit everything in, and it all has to be thought about why things are where they are, because that's going to play a big role in your customer experience, your staff's experience, and the things I mentioned before, right? Labor, the cost to your bottom line, overall general happiness and temperament and satisfaction when working in the environment, and so much more. So having a customized layout is critical. I'm not a fan of, this is the reason that we don't offer templated layouts, because we could, but it's not going to give you what you really need, because you have to understand why you're designing your location the way that you are based on your unique situation, and everyone's situation is unique. Okay, so this is maybe the last analogy I'll use, is that there's generic medication, right? But if you have something that you need, you go to a doctor, they draw your blood and they say, hey, Susie, Bobby, right? We need a specific protocol for you because you have a unique situation. Your age is unique, right? Your routine, your economic situation, your blood type, all these things are unique. So we need to create a customized program for you. So I hope this helps give you guys clarity, obviously, on my perspective and why this is important. If you need support with your layout or any other aspect of your business, reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Would be happy to talk about how we can help you. If you haven't liked the video yet, you know where that is. Questions or comments, put it in the comment box below, or if you just want to tell me you're enjoying the content, that always encourages me to make more videos for you and hopefully empowering you guys in starting your businesses. Follow us, On Instagram, we have a exclusive channel there of content, and we have exclusive giveaways that we have on a regular basis. We've given away business plans and wall murals and all kinds of stuff. We're at StartAJuiceBar there. And then lastly, if you like podcasts, we have a podcast on Spotify and on iTunes. It's called the Juice Bar Experts Podcast, where if you want to listen to the sound of my voice as you drive, clean your house, or otherwise, you can do that. Until next time, wish you guys are happy, and I hope you're healthy. I'll see you at the next video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.